Hi, my name is Steve Skelton. I'm a plumbing instructor here at Northern New Mexico College, and this is my temporary plumbing lab. We have a larger building that we're remodeling at present, and that's going to be ready hopefully by the spring semester. So these are some of the tools that we bought. This is an M12 expanding tool, which we do when we make domestic hot water connections and cold water also. You make the joints with this, and PEX is used in commercial and residential applications in place of copper these days. So very good tool, very quick, and it's all the latest technology. And then we have a copper cutter over here for when we're doing mechanical rooms. Really saves a lot of time, a really nice tool. These Milwaukee tools are very durable. Have cordless drill, 18 volt. And we have the big angle drill, which is used to get drainage fittings inside walls. Very good tool, very strong tool. And we have a Mayline for drawings. We're going to do isometric drawings here. So teach students how to read plans, very important. If you're on a job and the general contractor hands you a set of plans, you'll know exactly what's what. This is my lab. I'm looking forward to having students. I'm sure they're going to be on our way. And we're going to have a great program here. Frank Lara is our chair, and he's been very helpful. So I want to thank him, and John Ussery also, and Henry O'Connor, and Jason Lewis. So thank you all.